lunch, do a little browsing in the gift shop, and have a lot of fun. I'm in the restaurant area of Cracker Barrel now. Oh, I just love this place. We just finished. We had a fantastic lunch with my girlfriend Kathy and her husband Bob, and me and the cameraman. And look at that. Anybody want to play checkers while they're waiting? Very nice. Oh, look at this beautiful fireplace over here. It was lit before while we were eating lunch, but it's not lit now. All decorated for country. So nice. If you don't have a Cracker Barrel near you, you don't know what you're missing. And if you do have one by you and you haven't been there, go, because you will really love it. I know we do. Thursday was the turkey special. Yummy. All kinds of antiques up on the wall. Look at that. We had to drive about maybe a half hour to get here. I don't have one close to my house, but I wish I did. I would certainly be here more often. Look at that wall. Very nice. All these antique pictures. Look at that washboard up there. Oh, cool.
This is fudge.
Here's the boys, cameraman and Bob. Hi guys.
Hi.
They've been out here playing checkers while the girls have been inside doing a little shopping. Who's winning the game there?
We just started a new one.
Oh, they just started a new one. All right, well, we'll be out in about 3 hours. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. I'm here at Cracker Barrel to have lunch today with the cameraman and with my good friends Kathy and Bob. We just finished lunch and now we're taking a little tour of the gift shop. I'm going to have a special interview coming up, so don't go away. Stay tuned. Toodles! I'm here with Terry, the retail manager at Cracker Barrel's gift shop, and she said they have a new line in. It's Country Living.
Yep, it's
you want to tell us something about it?
Yeah, well, this is the first month, the first issue that Cracker Barrel is in the Country Living magazine, actually. And so we've partnered with them to show off this new line, which is called like a blue splash pattern.
That. That's beautiful.
We have bakeware and we have dishes, cute mugs, accessories, and everything is real country, you know. These are salt and pepper shakers are adorable.
Well, I think people that come here in this gift shop,
they're used to country.
They're used to country, and that's
and
what they want.
Friend.
Yeah, I saw somebody walking around before with a little boy or something with an animal that was walking and talking on the floor.
Oh, there was a cow. Yeah,
the
I would show them off. We had some guests in here who were looking for a cow, which of course we can accommodate.
Yeah.
That
thank you very much. We love this store. You know, there's something in here I think for everybody.
Yeah, we try.
And
especially now, we have so many new things coming in.
I bet it was very busy for Christmas, right?
We were crowded and loved
I know.
Yeah,
all right.
Really.
Well, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I have to go buy my necklace now.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
What is this? Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a Lazy Susan. Isn't that something else? I love it. Ooh. Very nice. There's a mason jar canister set. Oh look. The cast iron smiley face pancake pan. Very nice. I love this store. Look at the pillow. Suck it up, Buttercup. Very nice. Oh, look at this. Is this a planter, this wooden rolling pin?
Those are for tea lights.
Oh, isn't that nice? Look at that. A wooden rolling pin for tea lights.
Yeah, you put your little candle in here.
Nice.
Little votive candle or tea light in there.
Very nice. Could stay here all day. I wouldn't want to work here though. I'm afraid I would be spending my paycheck.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we know. A lot of us do.
Moo.
Especially with the clothing.
Oh, there's Terry and my friend Kathy. They're holding up the pillow. Suck it up. Buttercup. Hi, girls.
Hi. We're putting them out.
Look at this.
Well,
Aren't these adorable? These are like rolling pin planters. Very cute. Look at this. Manure happens. Look at that. Horse-themed products. My girlfriend Kathy that I'm with loves horses.
Right there with Rob.
She's a horse fan. Look at that mug. If you think I'm cute, wait till you see my cowboy boots. I'm in the area now where they have all of the old-fashioned candies. And oh, look what's down here. For all of my friends who are trying to lose weight for the new year, there's an emergency chocolate bar for you. Too cute. And here's the penny candies. Look at all those candies. Look at the little soda bottles. Bite them, drink them, and chew them. I remember those when I was a kid. We used to have so much fun with those. Look at all the penny candy here. Wow. Look at that. And here's all the thin sticks, they call them. All those candy sticks. I love this store. Anybody want some fudge? I made fudge this Christmas. I love my fudge. Good. Pecan logs. It's a great little store. Look, we have some Valentine's things. Oh, I haven't seen these before. Junior mint hearts for Valentine's Day. Look at that. And there's Merci chocolate sticks. Very nice. I guess Valentine's Day will be here before we know it. Keep a happy heart. How pretty. There's Mom's weekend cup. Mom's sanity is in this cup. So pretty. The mug. Enjoy life. Celebrate the little things in life. Roosters, anyone? Anyone collect roosters? We have a nice assortment of them here. For the bride-to-be, Mr. and Mrs. His and hers. Here's a section for the brides or the lovers that says, you don't have to be crazy to work here, we'll train you. There's lots of the woodwick candles here. Oh, look at this one. This looks like something I would like. It's called, I don't think you can see it very well. Oh, it's vanilla bean caramel biscotti. Mmm. So many cute signs in here. Look at this one. So many of my smiles begin with you. Family is forever. Work hard and stay humble. There's the counter where you pay. There's the friendly young girls working behind the register.